Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, collectives. Okay, so collectives, no zodiac sign needed kung manonood ng collective reading. Okay, so requirement ko lang para matawag kitang collectives ko, dapat naka-subscribe ka and follow. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. This is for the month of June. Okay, ano bang meron? Anong mga parating? Okay, so kukuha lang tayo ng kung anong mang energy. Okay, ang pwedeng dumating for you. Collectives? My collectives. Oo. So again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items kung meron kayong mga tanong. Okay, so we do have protection from evil eye. Okay, protection po yun sa mga may galit, no? Protection mo sa mga taong nagsasabi ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Mga ganyang bagay. Yung like tatalbog lang pabalik sa kanila. Parang ganon. Yun po ang ang gawa ng mga evil eye protection. Okay? So, yeah, meron tayong ring, meron tayong bracelet, and meron tayong necklace. Okay? And pagdating sa love naman, so we do have our love bracelet for singles and may mga conflict. So, yung mga gustong ma-fix, yung mga dapat ma-fix sa mga situation. And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter is yung taga-grant po, ng ating mga minamanifest and yes, taga-pagbigay ng surprises. Oo. And, ano pa? Yung ating cord cut. Yeah, yung cord cutting is available dito sa Fies Tarot. Okay. So, let's start the reading for your collectives. What's for you ngayong June? Okay, anong darating for the month of June para sa inyong mga collectives? For my collectives, no zodiac sign needed. Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kuha tayo ng 6. Okay. 1, 2 collectives, 3. Okay. So, merong isang naka-reverse. Let's see. Unahin natin tong unang changes. Okay. In general, there's a lot of changes na pwedeng mangyari. Okay, in general po, Next. Meetings. Okay. So, that's, specific. May mga specific na tawag dyan. Energies dito. Selling. Okay. So, parang may chance ng promotion, may chance ng sabihin nating collaboration, partnership this coming June for you. Okay? Huge decision. See? Could be may kasamang malalaking responsibilidad if ever, no? So, kaya, yeah, kailangan mo mag-decide. Due dates. Okay? And last, yung naka-reverse is evaluation. Yeah. Okay. So, let's see. Unahin natin itong changes. What's with this? Changes. So, clarify natin. What's with this? Changes. Para sa inyo mga collectives ngayong month of June. Changes for my collectives. The Page of Pentacles in reverse. Could be plans. Okay? Na pwedeng babaguhin. Some of you may mga na-delay dito. Okay? Kung ano man yung mga na-delay, na parang mga gusto nyong masubukan before, pwedeng may mga magbabago. Okay, Page of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, see the Ace of Pentacles. This is business, I think. Yeah, pwedeng pagpapalit ng kung ano mang business meron ka. I don't know, some of you could be changes pagdating sa management. Okay? Or sabihin nating pagdadagdag. Could be. Okay? So, para sabihin natin, yeah, may pagbabago na pwedeng mangyari ngayong June. Okay? So, that's nice. So, there's this changes pagdating sa kaperahan ng mga collectives. Okay? So, paganda. Sa paganda ang ang tawag dito. Ang pinupunto dito patungkol sa pera. Okay? So, next is meeting. So, ano bang meron dyan sa meetings? So, specific na specific yan, no? Oo, meetings. Anong meron? 5 of Pentacles in reversed. Ang galing, puro pera. Madalas kasi tayo, no? Puro reading ng person, no? Buti naman at pera ang nalabas, no? So, yes, this is a general. So, the 5 of Pentacles, some of you, mayroong mga sabihin nating pagkikita, okay, na pwedeng ang meron is pakikipag-ayos, okay, in general. This could be romantic or casual, or sabihin natin in general nga, no, is pakikipag-ayos. Yeah, the 6 of Swords. Pag-uusap. Okay, pag-uusap. At meron ako nakikitang magiging okay na desisyon ngayong June. Kung ano man to, it's up to you kung saan mo pwedeng i-fit. Okay? So, there. Next. Selling. Are you in selling? Are you into selling? Oo. Okay, what's with that selling? What's with this selling? Queen of Swords. Okay, I'm hearing contract. Finish contract. Merong mabebentang, sabihin natin may kailangang pirmahan. Okay? And nakukuha ko, yung iba dito, may mga papeles. Okay, may mga papeles po. Pwedeng meron kayo maibebenta. Yeah. Yeah, 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Meron maibebenta. So, may chance na sabihin natin may papasok na magandang kaching-kaching. Some of you, this is specific. Okay, meron kayong pwedeng ibenta ngayong June. Could be property mo. Okay? Could be. Pwedeng sarili mong pagmamay-ari. Pwedeng meron kang ibebenta. I don't know if this is talking about a house, location, car, whatsoever. Okay? I don't know. Pwede kasing to upgrade. Okay? Like leveling up. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, there. So, what else? Oh. Next is due dates. What's with that due dates for our collectives? Let's see. Due dates. The Ace of Cups. What's with that? The Tower in reverse. Some of you, this is talking about love, no? Parang due date na. Oo, parang ito na yung limit. Some of you, meron ako nakikita dito, like, sabihin natin hindi mo may iwasan na new love interest, or sabihin natin may magkaka-interest sa'yo. Okay? Ngayong June. Sabihin natin kung ito'y palalagpasin mo, medyo matatagalan na. Okay? Medyo matatagalan na, or kung ikaw itong parang, okay, sige, go. Yeah, may chance na pwedeng may darating na new love connection for some of you, mga collectives. Okay? Yeah, the Hermit. Iba sa inyo, matagal ng single. Okay? Matagal ng single. Lalo na yung iba sa inyo, sabihin natin parang bahay, trabaho, parang nasa cycle. Okay? So, parang kailangan mo muna talagang i-end yung cycle na kung ano man, like routine mo, basagin mo yung routine mo para may pumasok na new love interest, maybe, or new love energy. Okay? So, pero ang nakukuha ko dito, hindi mo to, para tong ligaw na bale. Oo, parang ligaw na bala. Parang ganyan, parang hindi mo inaasahan. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, there. Next. Huge decision. So, what's with this? Huge decision. Okay. What's with this for my collectives? Okay. The world. Okay, some of you, you'll accept things. Mas magiging magaan, okay? Could be, sabihin natin closure for some of you. Or sabihin natin there's this huge decision na pwedeng may kaakibat na paglayo. Okay? Could be travel for some of you. Could be, is this work abroad? Tapos 8 of Pentacles ang nakita natin, oh. Yeah. That's work. Or King of Pentacles, mga ganong bagay. What's with this world? The world. The 9 of Wands in reverse. Yeah, a decision, oh. 2 of Swords. This is decision making. Some of you, hindi mo agad-agad parang pagkakatiwalaan kung ano man to. There could be an offer na pwedeng dumating. There's an offer. What's with this 9 of Wands universe? It's like something lang parang may kaakibat na meron kang kailangang i-surrender ngayong June. Kaya a huge decision. Meron kang kailangang i-surrender. 6 of Pentacles in reverse. 7 of Pentacles. Kung papaano may mangyayaring sabihin nating pagbabago, no? Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo kasi may nakikita ko dito, meron kayong mga kailangang bayaran So, igagrab ko to or sabihin natin, yes, kailangan kong pagdesisyon ng maigi to kasi okay to Parang ganun. May okay na pwedeng mangyari if ever. So, meron nga lang kailangang paglayo. Could be, no work, abroad. So, next is evaluation. So, maybe some of you, pwedeng ma-evaluate ka this June. Sa workplace, could be. What's with this evaluation? Or meron ka mga evaluate ngayong June. Page of Wands. Opening a business. Opening a new branch, could be. Some of you, ikaw tong parang magiging interesado ka sa isang bagay na sabihin nating bago sa'yo. Okay? Page of Wands. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. The Emperor. Yeah, this is business. Talking about business or sabihin nating changes pagdating sa career. I'm hearing shifting. Pagdating sa sabihin nating pag-aaral, parang ganyan, studies mo. Okay? King of Wands in reverse. Some of you, you'll lose interest. Or pwedeng meron kayong mga bibitawan na hobbies para lang mabigyang way itong isang ito. Okay? This is general. So, yeah. Meron tayong angel number 1414. Nakita ko sa ating time. Okay, so yeah, yun lamang ang aking nakikita for you. So pahapyaw lamang, makikita natin siguro yung ibang energy sa mga susunod pa nating reading, no? Okay, so there, dito po natapos ang ating reading for my collectives. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow yung ating second YouTube channel. Thank you. Goodbye.